Hey everyone! Welcome to Acele. In this video, we'll show you how to automate WhatsApp messages based on changes made in Google Sheets. Acele helps streamline your workflow by automatically sending due payment reminders on WhatsApp whenever you update your Google Sheet. No more sending messages to each customer manually, just update your sheet and let Acele handle the rest. And it's not just for payment reminders, you can use this setup for order updates, confirmations, and more. Now, let's begin by heading to the dashboard, where we'll create a message template for due payment reminders. Click on Bot Manager and select your WhatsApp account. Next, we need to create a variable for the due amount. Scroll down, hit the Create button, and name the variable due. Once done, save the variable, refresh the page, and let's create the message template. I'm naming mine due message. In the template category, choose Marketing. For the message body, type Hi, then insert the username. Your monthly due is, and insert the due variable, followed by USD. Please pay your bill as soon as possible. Thanks. Keep the message short and clear, then save it. Now click the Sync button to get WhatsApp's approval for your message template. It may take a little time, so be patient. Next, head to the webhook workflow section and create a new workflow. Give it a name, choose your WhatsApp account, select the message template we just made, and click Create Workflow. You'll now see a Google Sheet Trigger Instructions button. Click on it to get the setup guide and the script you need. Copy that code and go to your Google Sheet. You can use either a new sheet or an existing one. For this demo, let's go with a new one. Name your sheet and create 3 columns: phone number, name, and due amount. Save the sheet, then go to Extensions App Script. Delete any existing code and paste in the script you copied earlier. Save it using Ctrl+S. Now set up a trigger by choosing the On Change option in the trigger settings. Make sure your browser's pop-up blocker is off, or it won't work. Select your Gmail account, click Advanced, and proceed with the unverified project. Allow the permissions, and your trigger is ready to go. Now let's test the webhook. Enter sample data into your Google Sheet. Then head back to the Acele webhook page and click Capture Webhook Response. Check the raw data section and click Load Data to verify it's captured correctly. If everything looks good, go ahead and map the webhook response to the appropriate fields: phone number, username, and due amount. Save the mapping and test it again with actual data. Enter a real phone number, name, and due amount in the sheet. Once done, your WhatsApp message should be sent automatically. You can track the message performance under the Reports section. And just like that, your customers will receive their due payment reminders without any manual effort. In this demo, I used my personal WhatsApp account, but the same setup works perfectly for your customer list too. There might be a slight delay in delivery, but that's on WhatsApp's end and usually not an issue. That's it. That's how you can automate WhatsApp messages using updates in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.